Hello, I'm Paul Boucher, Programme Director for PSO R&D at IFS. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate some of the fundamental concepts around assigning values and SLAs to activities and the effect they have on the schedule. A prerequisite is that you have read the scheduling concepts, costs and values documentation, which explains how PSO values work. We have here a schedule with different mixture of work. There is more work than can be done in the 2 days. We wish to prioritize some work over other work. Let's color the Gantt by activity type. If we go to the exceptions panel and select SLA type, we can see we have a number of leakage jobs, either unplanned or in jeopardy. We wish to make these a priority. Let's locate a leakage job on the Gantt. We can see they are fairly evenly spread over the 2 days, but a high proportion of them in jeopardy. Let's look at the base value, and we can see that it has a relatively low value of 1000. So now let's increase the base value and to see what impact this has on the schedule. So in real time, I have input a change to the base value for all the leakage jobs. And in a few seconds, we will see a change to the plan. And now we can see that change has taken effect. And if we look at the leakage job again, we can see it has a base value of 50,000. If we go to the exceptions, we can see that the number of leakage jobs in jeopardy or not being done has fallen to 43, but the number of other jobs has increased. If we look at the SLA, we can see that the SLA for these jobs is fairly shallow. That means there is not much incentive for the optimizer to schedule the job early. So we want to change this. So now let's input a new file which actually makes the SLA curve a lot steeper. So in a few seconds, the plan will change again. And here we see that the leakage jobs have now been planned much earlier in their SLA. If we go to the exceptions tab, we can see that now the number of leakage jobs in jeopardy or not being done is 20, whereas the number of other jobs has increased. If we look at the SLA for a leakage job, we can see the much steeper curve here. And this has caused the optimizer to try and maximize the value by making this as early as possible in the SLA. In this way, the optimizer can be configured to behave to maximize the value for the business. So I hope this has been useful. And one final point, these changes have been made in real time using dynamic scheduling. Thank you for listening and have a great day.